How we doing, everyone? We are back again. This time we got something a little different here. We got 3 tickets this time. We went to get 2 of the $20 230 million cash explosion tickets, and unfortunately we got the last ticket here. So we used the other 20 and got 2 of the $10,000 blowout tickets from the Arizona Lottery. Those are what we are going to start with here. And the blowout tickets here, the $10,000 blowout ticket, has the overall odds are going to be 1 in 3.45. The prizes there on screen range from $10 up to that top prize of $10,000. Let's go ahead and turn these back over. Today we have tickets number 51 and 52. We're going to get started with ticket number 51. We are looking for that stack of cash symbol to win the prize shown, or reveal that $10,000 burst symbol to win $10,000 automatically. Enough talking, let's get scratching, get into it, and get some wins, guys. This is ticket 51 here, and our winning numbers, we got 50, 24, 6, 31, 47. Alright, guys, let's see, can we get lucky today? I'm going to start out with a match on the first scratch. It's always good to get a match. The first scratch, let me go ahead and grab a picture for the thumbnail there. Alright, guys, let's see if we can get anything else to go along with that 24. Got 39, 4, 2, 7. There we go, we got 50. We got 2 matches so far. 38, 41, 33, 48. 25, 13, 10, 31. We got a match on 31 there, guys. Alright, so 3 matches so far. Last row here. Got 35, 45, 20. We got another 31 there. So we got 4 matches. 8. Alright, let's go ahead and see what's under the 24 here. We got 4 matches. We got $10 there. Alright, next one is going to be that 50 there. Boom, we got 25 so far. We still got 2 31s to go. Alright. Boom, there we go. We got 35. And under the last 31, there we go. We got $50. Boom. Alright, guys, we got a profit session already on the first ticket. Let's go ahead and move that out of the way. See if we can get a back-to-back here. Let's go ahead and see what 52 brings us. First one is going to be 48, 26, 18. There's my lucky 44, and 20. Let's see, can we get a back-to-back? 16, 23, 25, 8, 29. Next row, got 40, 19, 17, 49, 38. All right, we got 2 rows left. It's not over yet. 42, 33, 4, 14, 11. All right, last row here. We need some help. 24, 15, 9, 37, and in the corner, 31. All right, so let's go ahead and set this to the side and move on to our cash explosion ticket here. This one here, we have the overall odds. Going to be 1 in 3.09, and the prizes there range from $20 up to the top prize of $2.5 million. And this one here is going to be ticket 29, the black box last ticket in the pack. We're looking for that money bag symbol to win 100 instantly, or that 20x symbol to win 20 times our prize. See our winning numbers here. We got 14, 5, 19, 46, 4, 36, 22. Let's start out with a 13, 1 off, 30, 50, 27, 16. 35, 32, 15, 40, 47. Lots of one-offs. 21, 23, 24, 3, 11. There is my lucky 44. Not going to help us on this one. 45, 34, 7, 6. All right, last row here. Can we get a win on the last ticket? 43, 18, 9, 12, and in the clutch corner, 25. All right, so nothing there, but we did get that one win there for $50. As always, guys, if you have not before, consider hitting that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you all next time. Have a good night.